Remember, we had 3,210 followers, right? In order to know if these followers have started coming, you just need to come right here and draw it down right here, and boom, you can see we have 3,339 followers, which means that the 100 followers we ordered has been completed. Right here, you can see this inbox right here. Can you see this inbox right here? When we tap on it, you can see this new followers right here. You can see 99 new followers, right? Can you see this 99 new followers? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see that this follower just come in right now. You can see a minute ago, they just came in now. To grow TikTok followers now made easy in 2026. All you need to do is to do this thing I'm going to show you guys in this video. First, you need to come to this website. You can see right here on the screen, growbetter.net, as you can see right here. All you need to do is to come right here, create an account, do exactly everything I'm going to do, and you'll be able to get followers instantly. So firstly, what you need to do is to create an account. For you to create an account, you just need to come to this sign up right here, tap on it. You can see the sign up right here, tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will bring you to this place where you could create a username and then put your email right here and put your password right here and confirm your password, and come to this human and tap on it, and it's going to tick. And the next thing you need to do basically is for you to click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy. So this is because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating accounts. So all I need to do is for me to actually sign in and show you guys exactly how to do these things. So right now I've logged into my account. As you can see right here on the screen, you can see very easy peasy. So for you to actually get these followers, all you need to do is for you to come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Once you tap on it, you can see Instagram follower, Instagram like, you can see TikTok, you can also see Facebook. Everything is in this platform, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do TikTok. So let's go and look for TikTok followers right here, and boom, you can see several TikTok followers right here. But because I want a fast one that will actually reflect in this video as you're watching it, I'm going to be using this 10% drop fast delivery new video. I just need to tap on it, and once I tap on it, next thing is for me to come to this service right here, tap on this service and select preferable service I want. I like the first one, and come to this description, read the description. Description is actually what describes the service you are actually purchasing. This description stated that the followers you are actually getting, the quality is worldwide profile, and they also say start time is instant. So if you place the order, you're getting it instant. And right here they say the speed is 20k per day, so you can actually get 20k followers a day. And right here they say refill is 10 days. And the important note, they say when the service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary, and do not place a second order on the same link before your order is completed in the system. So once you place an order, you don't need to worry, these followers are going to come in. So do not place another order on the same link, because it's going to contradict both of them and none of them is going to come. And next you need to do for you to come to this link right here and paste your profile link. Just in case you don't know how to copy your TikTok profile link, let's go to TikTok. Let me show you guys how to do that. So guys, right here I'm on TikTok, right? So if you want to copy your link, all you need to do is to come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Tap on it, and by your left hand side right here you can see this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link? Tap on it and your link is copied. But I want you guys to actually confirm something. Before we place an order in this profile, you can see we have 3,210 followers. So we are going to come back and we're going to see that these followers are going to add up immediately. So I just need to come right here, paste this link right here, and this quantity I'm going to be putting 100, because this is I want to actually try with 100 followers so that you guys can see. So quantity is actually the amount of followers you want, which means that at least I started 100, we are getting 100 followers. So the next thing I need to do is for me to come to this submit right here, and you see this one, you just tap on it, and boom, you can see right here they say your order has been received, which means that this order we place right now has been received. All we need to do is for us to actually wait, and these followers will start reflecting to our profile. But firstly, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. And how then you for the account in this platform is very easy. All you need to do is for you to come to this line up here. Can you see this line up here? Tap on it, and you can see by your left hand side right here, you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will bring you to this place. You can see this dot right here. Can you see this dot? Tap on it. The dot will show you two payment options in this platform, which is Kora Pay and manual, right? So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use both of them. If you want to use Kora Pay, all you need to do, select Kora Pay, put the amount you want to pay, and click on this pay right here. And once you tap on the pay, Kora Pay is going to be asking you how would you like to pay. As you can see right here, they say how would you like to pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, or pay with bank. If you want to pay with debit card, you just need to select it and put your card details right here, click on this pay, and your payment will be processed. And if you want to pay with bank transfer, come select bank transfer and read all this instruction right here, and come and tick on this I understand the instruction, and click on this continue right here. And Kora Pay is going to provide account number, which you can see on the screen. All all you need to do to send money to the account number, and you don't need to do anything. It will automatically reflect to your account. Okay, let me show you guys how to use manual. Manual is very easy. All you need to do is to come select manual, read this instruction right there, which says kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number and you can see the beneficiary, and they say do not send below 1,000 because it won't be refunded. They say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin. Contact us. It's either you click on this contact us or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here. It will take you to the WhatsApp number. All you need to do is to send them your proof of payment and your GrowBetter username, and they're going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to TikTok to actually check if the followers we purchased is already counting. Right, it's okay. We are back on TikTok, and as you can see right here, remember we had 3,210 followers, right? For us to actually know if these followers have reflected, all we need to do is for us to actually refresh in order to know if these followers have started coming. You just need to come right here and draw it down right here, and boom, you can see we have 3,339 followers, which means that the 100 followers we ordered has been completed. Right here you can see this inbox right here. Can you see this inbox right here? When we tap on it, you can see this new followers right here. You can see 99 new followers, right? Can you see this 99 new followers? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see that this follower just come in right now. You can see a minute ago they just came in now. So this is exactly how you can actually grow your followers very fast in 2026. And all you need to do is to come to this platform, growbetter.net. The link is in the description. All you need to do is to create a new account and do exactly the same thing I did in this video, and you'll be able to get this follower. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.